Hello, my respected YouTube family. This is Dr. Huma Ibrar. As we approach the end of this year and for exciting new year of 2024, I'm providing 10% discount on Pocketbook, and you can avail this offer till 1st of January. You can mail me at hik_28@hotmail.com. My email ID is also given in description box. I wanted to take a moment to check in with all of you and hear your thoughts on my work. I truly pour my all energy and knowledge into everything I do for my YouTube family, including my pocketbook, YouTube videos, guidance, and online coaching. Firstly, I wanted to express my deepest gratitude to all the amazing individuals who have supported me. I would be glad to share that my book has reached the hands of people from 10 to 15 countries. That is simply mind blowing. And your trust is the key of my consistency and motivation. Moving on to my YouTube channel, my goal for the upcoming year is to cover the study procedures, new addition, and exciting opportunities in the field of physiotherapy for every country. My aim is to provide you with authentic and reliable information from credible sources, ensuring that you are always up to date and well informed. Additionally, I have taken it upon myself to prepare in depth notes plus lectures for students from different regions who have upcoming examinations. My mission is to help boost your knowledge and provide personalized attention tailored to their individual levels. The feedback and results I have received so far have been nothing short of amazing. However, none of this would have been possible without your continuous trust and support. So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. As we move forward, I would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions on how I can further enhance my work in the world of physiotherapy. Your comments and feedback are invaluable to me, and I promise to carefully consider each and every one of them. The year 2024, I am committed to addressing your concerns and providing solutions that exceed your expectations. Together, let's continue to grow as a team and make physiotherapy a global recognized brand. Thank you for being an integral part of the Physio family, and let's make the upcoming year an extraordinary one. Once again, thank you, all of you, for unwavering support, trust, and dedication. Your encouragement means world to me. Here's to a fabulous year ahead.